Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start task 2. Writing task 2. هنبدأ في writing وبنشتغل task 2. Task 2 is essay writing. وعن الاسي هتكتب مقال. بالتالي in order to write good essay or excellent one you should follow specific steps. عشان ما تكتب مقال كويس لابد من انك تقوم تتبع خطوات محددة. So there is a specific structure for essay in IELTS. في specific structure في الآيلتس اللي هي تتبعها. And also you need to impress your IELTS examiner. تترك انطباع جيد في الآيلتس examiner by using big posh words. استخدم كلمات فخيمة هي بتترك انطباع في الإكزامينر. So generally the topic in task 2 about something common عن شيء عام ذات related to society بيتعلق بالمجتمع such as education, health, electricity, gender role, and so on. عن التعليم والصحة والحاجات environment also البيئة عن حاجات هي حاجات عامة. يعني عموما الإيسي عن تكتب عن شيء عام. تكتب المقال عن شيء عام. Okay, first if you want to start essay we have a specific part, introduction. You have introduction. So, paragraph 1, and paragraph 2. Then, conclusion. So, introduction, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, conclusion. You have 40 minutes to write 250 words. عندك 40 دقيقة تكتب فيها 250 كلمة. Okay. First, if you want to write introduction about something, you need to use hook. So, hook here in Irish is not needed. ده يعني شيء يعني يجذب القارئ. بتخط مقدمة وبتجذب القارئ بتخليه يرقى في القراءة. So because you have a specific time عندك زمن محدد. So it's not needed here. Hooks. الهوك في الآيلتس ما. So you should start with background statement. This is background statement. Background statement means to paraphrase the question. الباكجراوند statement هي تعمل paraphrase للquestion. So you should rewrite or repeat the question in your own words. تعيد السؤال بكلماتك أو بتعبيرك الخاص. And the meaning should be similar to that of question. إنه المعنى بتاع الصياغة بتاعتك يكون مشابه لمعنى السؤال. بمعنى إنك تصيغ السؤال بصورة ثانية بكلمات أخرى لكن تدي لنفس المعنى. That means you should use synonym. تستخدم السينونيم. For example, if about capital punishment, capital punishment, so you can say the penalty. Capital punishment, you can use instead of that, you use the penalty. Use synonym. To repeat the question by synonym. تعيد السؤال بكلمات أخرى تدي نفس المعنى. So using different words, and these words it is necessary to give them meanings. تدي them meaning. An introduction. In introduction, no need for who? You have background statement. Background statement means to paraphrase. To paraphrase the question. Paraphrase the question تصيغ السؤال بصورة ثانية بكلمات أخرى تدي نفس المعنى بتاع السؤال. If you ask you about the advantages and disadvantages of something, so use synonym. Then, thesis statement. So it's a statement that here your answer. Give your answer. Your answer should be clear. Give clear opinion or clear thought. أدي فكرة أو رأي واضح. So when you want, the first sentence is about to paraphrase the question. After you paraphrase the question, so full stop, and you can continue the second sentence. In introduction, you have two sentences, but you expand. عندك جملتين فقط لكن بتحاول تعمل لهم expansion. The first sentence to paraphrase the question, the second one is a statement, and this is the answer. Do you agree or disagree? So when you want to write the thesis statement, first you should say, personally, or in my opinion, or in my view, use specific expression. استخدم تعبيرات محددة. So I think, I believe, or I agree that so and so and so and so. According to the question, نطلق السؤال أولي إذا موافق تدي موافق. Or if you disagree with this topic, so you say I disagree with that. After you finish your sentence here, then use comma. Try to support or to back up your answer. حاول أدعم إجابتك بشيء. You can start here comma by however or in contrast. هتبدأ بhowever أو in contrast وبعد ذلك تضيف full stop. بقت جملتين طويلة. You have two long sentences. عندك جملتين طوال. This is introduction. Here, 2 points, just 2 points. You have 2 questions. You have 2 sentences. عندك جملتين فقط. Expand them, then full stop. This is about introduction, or what relates to introduction. ده فيما يتعلق بالintroduction. Then the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, so paragraph 1. This is paragraph 1. Try to restate the side where, if I agree or support specific opinion. إذا كنت بدعم فكرة معينة وافقت عليها, I should restate the side where. حاول تعمل تأكيد للفكرة بتاعتك in the first sentence. This is the first paragraph, that's the paragraph الأول. You need to restate. Then, after you state, give example. Give clear example. Later, also give reason. You give reason after you state. كتة. Then, reason at the suburb. Give reason for that. At the suburb موافقة دي. Later, give example and try to conclude. This is 4 sentences. Also, In the paragraph 2 also follows the same step. Try to restate the side 2. Why? So why you disagree? Or the adverse, or try to give another opinion. If you reject, or say why you reject, and agree here and reject here. Try to restate that, give reason, example, then to come to conclusion. بعد ذلك تعال أختم البراجراف الثاني. Then the general conclusion. And when you start paragraph 2, try to use in contrast. If you use here, if it is before. However, here try to use in contrast here for the first or for the second paragraph. بالنسبة للباراجراف الثاني تعال ابدأ in contrast وبعد ذلك عمل ريستيت تأكيد لكلامك ده, then reason, example, and conclusion for the paragraph. Then finally you have general conclusion. بعد ذلك عندك الconclusion العام. You need to conclude generally. State your argument. الargument بتاعك كله تعال اعمل له state هنا also by synonym. Then use the previous argument. So you can use the same idea but use synonym. استخدم نفس الفكرة لكن استخدمها بطريقة أخرى. يعني الحجة بتاعتك قدمتها هنا تجي تقيمها في الختام وبعد ما تقيمها في الختام تقيمها بنفس الطريقة لكن بكلمات تختلف. Then give your opinion. And if you want to write conclusion, you say in conclusion, or you can say to conclude. To conclude. In conclusion or to conclude. Then give your argument and your opinion full stop. So you finish writing essay part 2. So as you say, introduction. So in introduction you have background statement. So fetus statement and background statement, you know, I explained it before. Background statement وضحناه. Here paraphrase for the question. Then fetus statement, your answer. After that, so you conclude the introduction. Later, the second or the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you need to restate. After you state, mention the reason. Then, after the reason, you can use conclusion or conclusion. Come to conclusion. Thank you so much.